If you're still using VLOOKUP to match data, you're one mistake away from a report that's completely wrong, and Power Query fixes just that. Let's get started. We have our data already in Power Query. Now let's get our lookup table loaded in as well. We're going to go to the top ribbon, click Data, and then click From Table/Range. Now that we have both tables loaded into Power Query, let's get going with the lookup. As you can see here, customer ID exists in both tables, and that's what we're merging on. Now on the top ribbon on the Home tab, let's click Merge Queries. Once the Merge Queries loads, we're going to go ahead and click on Lookup as the Merge Query. As I touched on earlier, we're going to highlight Customer ID as our match column for both tables. We'll leave Join Kind as left outer, then click OK to merge the queries together. Now that our queries are combined, let's expand the most important columns from our lookup table. Once we hit OK, the data will load and we now have a repeatable and safe VLOOKUP in Power Query. I went ahead and cleaned up the column names. Now let's load this into Excel. We already had our data loaded, so for the lookup, we will set this as connection only since we don't need another table for it. Now, here's what it looks like in Excel. No formulas, just clean data. However, we had a couple customer IDs that were in the data but not the lookup. Let's fix that. As you can see, customer 999's lookup data is blank, and this is actually a really easy fix. I went ahead and copied the customer ID and pasted it into the lookup table. From here, I'm filling out all the pertinent lookup info that will populate into our data in just a moment. Now, let's go to the Data tab in the top ribbon and click Refresh. This refreshes the query with any new data. And that's Power Query Merge. It's more reliable than VLOOKUP, and it updates automatically every time your data changes. Follow and like for more, and I'll see you in the next video.